Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome to your channel that is Quran for Kids. As in the previous video, we learned about the signs of Allah in nature and creation for people to think. And number two, the main topic was the permanent curse upon those who die in disbelief. Now we will move forward in the Surah Al-Baqarah verses 165 to 168. Before heading forward to the verses, just check the highlights. In this video, you will be able to learn: number 1. Only Allah deserves the highest love and obedience. Number 2. Satan misguides people through small steps. Avoid all his tricks. Number 3. Eating halal and pure food is a part of Islamic guidance. Let's start.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
ومن الناس من يتخذ من دون الله أندادا يحبونهم كحب الله والذين آمنوا أشد حبا لله ولو يرى الذين ظلموا إذ يرون العذاب أن القوة لله جميعا وأن الله شديد العذاب.
Yet there are people who take others as equals to Allah. They love them as they should love Allah. But the believers love Allah even more. If only the wrongdoers could see the punishment, they would know that all power belongs to Allah and that Allah is severe in punishment. As you know that in the previous verses there were the signs of Allah. Now, Allah is saying that He deserves all the love for the blessings He gave us. Allah is warning in this verse to those who obey the people against Allah's orders. If you are pleasing the people by going against the teachings of Allah, then you should be worried about your akhirah. Allah is warning those people that if they loved and obeyed the beings other than Allah, then the punishment they would suffer is unimaginable. If they could see that punishment, they will be horrified and will know that all the power belongs to Allah, not those whom they pleased against Allah. Indeed, Allah is very severe in giving punishment.
إذ تبرأ الذين اتبعوا من الذين اتبعوا ورأوا العذاب وتقطعت بهم الأسباب.
Consider when those who were followed will disown their followers, and they all will see the punishment, and all ties between them will be cut off. Allah is saying that the leaders who made their followers against the will of Allah will disown their followers on the day of judgment. Just imagine if you are following any influencer or effective person who is telling you wrong things and you are just following blindly, then actually you are going against Allah. Those people for whom you wasted your life to follow will disown you on the day of judgment. Their all false promises will be exposed on the big day. They all will be punished, the leader and the followers. All the connection of them will be ended. There will be no way to help each other. Then what is the solution? Here, number 1. My dear friends, start connecting with Allah and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Blindly following any leader results only in hell. Start rechecking the things which you used to heard from different people. And the last of all, start exploring the different things.
وقال الذين اتبعوا لو أن لنا كرة فنتبرأ منهم كما تبرأوا منا كذلك يريهم الله أعمالهم حسرات عليهم وما هم بخارجين من النار.
Those who followed will say, if only we could have another chance, we would disown them as they have disowned us, as they have disowned us. In this way, Allah will show them their deeds as regrets, and they will never leave the fire. Allah is revealing that the people who followed the wrong leader in the world will regret on their deeds. When the people will see their liar leader in the hellfire, they will desire for one chance to go back in the world to disown their leaders like they disown them today, and wish for another chance to undo their mistake. But it's too late, as they will not get rid of the punishment. They will be in fire forever with their so called leaders and fake gods. It is the mercy of Allah that He has told us all the scenarios before the day of judgment, so that we fear Allah. These verses tell us to stay away from these kinds of sins and seek forgiveness from Allah.
يا أيها الناس كلوا مما في الأرض حلالا طيبا ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
O people, eat from what is lawful and good on the earth, and do not follow Satan's footsteps. He is truly your sworn enemy. In this verse, Allah is talking about the halal food. Allah is instructing the humanity to eat the food which is halal and lawful according to the Islamic rules. Eat the pure food in good manner. Allah also warned us not to follow the footsteps of Shaitan. The worst enemy of humanity is Shaitan, devil. My dear friends, indeed surviving in this world is difficult as it is full of un-Islamic activities. But remember, Allah loves that person who keeps on reflecting on his sins and seek forgiveness. My dear friends, seek help from Quran and Salah. That's all for today, dear kids. This is the lesson which we get from this video. So don't forget to recite Surah Al-Baqarah daily and also advise others to do so. Now see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.